The legs is part of the shell. Are you allowed to take this off?
Yeah, I'm offended right now.
I feel like you're not meant to actually hold a knife like that. So a professional Caribbean chef is going to be teaching us how to cook today. But first things first, we're not just going to dive into the kitchen and like the ingredients are already there. We're doing this properly. We are about to head to YaRdViBe and go to the fish market, and Yasmin doesn't want to eat fish. She wants to eat meat. So we're gonna get best of both worlds. We're gonna do a seafood dish and a meat dish. Here he is! So now we are on our way to the fish market, and we have Chef Jerome with us.
This is actually his song.
It's pretty good vibe.
It's good.
We won't get copyright for this, so this is vibes. We can play it and listen, and you guys can listen too.
Okay, Wagwan, Roadman, link up mate, what's the update? On the ends, get the peas.
Okay, so we're getting some fresh coconuts. It's fresh, literally right in front of you.
Are you allowed to take this off?
Yeah.
This is fresh to death. Taste test. How fresh is that?
That's so nice.
Get the peas. This is a chronic disease. Watch how I burn down the cheese. Your bitch gon' fall on her knees. I'm never gonna eat at Wendy's.
Okay, these are normal eggs, and then that's a flipping ostrich egg. Okay, so we just got back. Food's been set up, and now it's time to cook. So I'm gonna get to work. How are we gonna have the salmon today?
Pan-seared salmon.
Pan-seared.
Jasmine just told me that I am like on shrimp peeling duties, but that's not happening.
She has to
Jerome,
take
right?
the poop.
That's not happening.
She has to take the.
one.
No, what the hell? We was friends just 1 second ago.
No, but I realized that you're trying to deceive
No.
me.
Jerome knows. He sees through her rubbish. He sees through her lies.
I'm offended right now.
Stop peeling the shrimp. So let me show you guys what Jerome is doing right now. So you have to do this all the time, but normally people don't have to do this if they buy it from like the supermarket, right?
Yeah, if you buy it from Spinneys, the high class one, we don't have to do this, right?
But it's not as
pay a
fresh.
bigger price.
Yeah, you pay a bigger price and it's not as fresh.
I didn't say that.
I said it's not as fresh. We've seen it. It literally was like caught out of the ocean and given to us.
Authentic, so it's okay.
So it's scaling the fish. Wash your fish, guys. It's important.
Yeah. You wash it with lime juice or vinegar. Clean it up nicely. We don't want no bad bacteria in the diet.
This meat is like,
She has no words. It's that incredible. Yasmin's just admiring the marbling.
you might
on
not be
this
able
steak.
to see because there's like seasoning and stuff, but oh my god, bro.
This is expensive stuff though. This was imported from Japan. You need a different tax bracket for this one. Okay, I'm getting to see the good stuff. So this is a blend of your special herbs.
Yes.
But don't look at it before you steal the ingredients.
It's really hard, man.
That smells good, right? You literally look like you're in love right now.
Yeah.
You're just staring at it.
I am.
This is how our salmon is looking right now. It's got a whole lot of good ingredients in there.
It's
And
bad because we
natural,
should be the ones cooking.
we're learning
We're
though.
appreciating.
Yeah, we're appreciating and learning.
We're learning, and you are being a great teacher.
How I started cooking, I was living with my grandfather since 4 years old, you know. But I had something about this cooking thing, you know. Sometimes I'd be hungry and I tried to help myself.
Yeah.
I think I started cooking at around age 7.
Really?
Wow.
That's
The first
insane.
time I cooked, first time I put fire
Something
on the stove.
stove.
Yeah? I was trying to boil eggs. Yeah, and guess what I did? I boiled my eggs in a plastic container. Yeah. And all the water ran out on the stove. And my grandfather would give me a big scolding for it. Yo, how you have to do that? You idiot. So from there I decided that, yo, I was a bit embarrassed. So I told myself from there that I would have to learn this.
Yeah.
I'm not giving up.
Yeah.
And that's how I took it from there on. I started frying chicken, I started cooking rice and peas from 8 years old. I just started
that's
doing
amazing.
things. It wasn't good.
But it was
But,
something.
you know, it was going.
That's all that
my
matters.
grandfather started to eat, and
Yeah.
every day would come, you know, to come and cook for him.
Oh,
you know, that's how
That's
it
so
went on
nice.
from there. And then I just started to learn a lot of things.
I'm gonna do that.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time for Yasmin to put on her chef gloves. She's about to peel some shrimp.
Also, remove the veins from it. Oh wow. She's starting to slip up already.
I feel like you're not meant to actually hold a knife like that.
First, remove the shell.
It's like you're in school.
And the shell is easy to remove. Deep vein in it, it should look like this.
Just 1 minute.
Let me show you how the best way to remove it. So you open it from the inside.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that was so quick.
I should have done that.
Are you done? No, look, it's still got legs on, Yasmin.
Should I take its legs off?
Yes, of course.
Yes, the legs is part of the
Everything
shell.
is part of the shell. Yes. Twist your shrimp and follow the line.
Okay. And then I open and
Open it
pull
up.
the poop out.
And pull this
The
black
vein.
vein out.
The vein, Yasmin.
Yeah.
Yes, I hate that.
Somebody give her a round of applause.
Thank you.
Did you remove this already? That was quick.
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
Oh no, I didn't remove the vein.
Hey, Layla failed. It takes 3 people to peel 6 shrimp.
So guys, these are big, juicy shrimp. You guys know that I am a big shrimp lover. What did you cook last time when we came here?
Sea bream.
That was good. Because I've had sea bream so many times before, but not like how you've cooked it.
Oh, that's so flattering.
Yeah,
Is that on
really
camera?
So we are prepping now for the sweet and sour sauce. We've got all our vegetables in there. It smells really good.
Yeah, you have to wash your rice every time.
Wash your rice.
Yeah.
Wash your rice.
Right. Because my grandfather always tell me that the supermarket guys that fart in the supermarket and you don't want to have that. Yeah, that's what he says. And this is an easy way to wash your rice. You put the rice in a strainer.
Yeah.
And run it under cold water.
Nice. Wash your rice. It doesn't take a long time, and it helps get the starch out of the rice.
Gets rid of the excess starch, you know?
Yeah.
Want to flip it?
No, don't trust her.
Yeah, go on, I can try. Come on. Yeah, flip it, man. Flip it. Yeah. Yeah, go on again. Yeah. A superstar should be good.
I did that.
Okay, so now we are getting into the sweet and sour sauce. I'm not gonna show you exactly what goes into this because there is a recipe on Jerome's YouTube channel, so make sure you go and check that down below. But this is what it's looking like. It smells so incredible. So if you want the recipe for this, you gotta go check out the YouTube channel down below. And you won't believe the ingredients that go into this. This is smelling so good. Guys, the salmon is nearly done. If you could only smell this. Okay guys, so a quiz has been put together, and basically, if you can get all 5 questions right, Jerome said that there's a surprise. You know that we are siblings, we are competitive, and there's a surprise. And the whole quiz is about Jamaica. I have never been to Jamaica. I love Jamaican food. I love everything about Jamaica, but I don't know how good my knowledge is of Jamaica. So we're gonna see how this goes. Yasmin doesn't have a clue.
I failed school. Everything in school. Okay? Even my life is failure. But I will try. Okay, so shrimp is in the
Ever trendy, couple dollars in a pocket and me style plenty. She buy me Gucci, she buy me Fendi. Yellow bubble in a slow motion, underneath in a deep like Arctic Ocean. Me do the calculation, eyes at Newton.
So guys, the sweet and sour shrimp is done. This smells so good. And remember, if you want a recipe, it will be down below. How long have you been flipping for? It's like you're a pro.
Come on, I flip on.
Oh my god, now this could make me cry. Because of how nice it is.
Guys, that rice just hit different. I could eat the rice by itself. It is phenomenal. Jerome, we're gonna need a recipe on your YouTube channel on how to make that rice. Yeah, you need, I want that to go up tomorrow or this week.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'll bring it on this week.
Okay, guys, you lot need to taste that rice. That was actually mad. This is what Yasmin's been waiting for. This is that A5 grade Wagyu steak.
Pay the money, me a hooligan. Jump in a machine, my rims them too clean. High grade we not lean, long like limousine. That a my vaccine, beta carotene. You don't know my routine. Earthquake start and the place shake up. Slow down, no doubt, full speed buck. Tom kill Jerry and Duffy start duck. Sometimes that then don't have luck. Choose one, pick one, girls line up. Quarter mil for a Bentley truck.
Finally finished, guys. Oh my god. You know when you're hungry and everything just smells incredible? The whole time I was looking at the food being cooked and I was like, oh my god, this smells so good, and I was getting just like hungry, more hungry and hungry and hungry. Yasmin has finished everything on her plate.
I have cleaned this lamb chop like I've never cleaned a lamb chop in my life.
You know when the food's so good you have no words, and it's just like everyone sits in silence and eats. That's exactly what is happening now, guys. No one is talking, we're just sitting here eating. This is what I've got on my plate right now. These prawns just hit different. This is the sweet and sour one. Got my salmon here, and then you know the rice was just like on a whole nother level. Nearly finished that, and we've still got all of this.
Let me tell you the situation right now. I ate this lovely food, and then I realized I have to go for dinner now with my friend.
Shouldn't she just cancel? This is why I don't have any friends.
This is why you have no friends. So I need to get up, but getting up is so difficult.
Come on, it's time to get up now.
Then working. I'm gonna do it though.
I'm waiting.
So I'm gonna go dinner with my friends. Chicken. Oh, that's so difficult.
You can do it.
Oh.
Before we go, guys, remember there is a quiz. If you get 5 answers correct, apparently there is a prize. We don't know what these questions are because it's meant to be like no head starts or anything like that. Oh my god, it's an actual pop quiz.
Is there a time frame you have to do it?
Okay, guys, so we've got our yard man quiz. I don't want you to copy me.
Okay, I'm done.
So I'm gonna go through these answers tonight.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'll publish the results, and whoever got 5 out of 5,
I think I
get
did
the
it.
secret prize.
It's a deal.
There's no
What
real
answers
mountain
did-
called
Yeah.
Spliff Mountain, is there?